Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, today we are going to do the grammar worksheet of lesson number 5. Okay, so quickly take out your Pearl book, one pencil and eraser. So now take out page number 64. 64. Take out page number 64. Now students, first you have to listen this, then you have to write it, okay? So the first exercise, add ed to make new words. So in this exercise, what we have to do, words are given to us and one blank is given in front of the word. So what we have to do, we have to add ed to the word and make a new word. वर्ड दिया हुआ है, हमको उस वर्ड के आगे ed लगाना है और एक न्यू वर्ड फॉर्म करना है. ओके किड्स, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज ऑलरेडी डन फॉर अस. add, add, और add में ed ऐड कर दिया तो क्या हो गया, added. Now the second word is fill. Now if we will add ed on it, it will be filled. So what you have to do, you have to copy the same word and you have to add ed on it at the last. Now the third one is boil, and when we will add ed on it, see, ed on it, so it will become boiled. Now the fourth one, want, and we had added ed on it, so it becomes wanted. The fifth word is show, and we will copy the same word and add ed on it, it become showed. The sixth word is climb. Now when we will add ed on it, it will become climbed. So students, in this exercise what we have to do, words are already given to us, we have to just add ed on it and make a new word. हमको सिर्फ word के आगे ed add करना है और एक new word form करना है. Okay, now in the next exercise what we have to do, now use the words you have made to fill in the blanks. See, the words which we had made here in this exercise A1, we had made the new words, so we have to use these same words and we have to fill these words in the filling the blanks given over here in the B section. Okay, so we have to use the A1 A exercise word and we have to fill it in the B exercise on the filling the blanks. Now the first one, Mohini dash some sugar to the milk. Mohini added. Mohini added. Now the second one is Harjeet dash water in the vase. Harjeet filled water in the vase. वास के अंदर उसने वाटर को फिल किया है, भरा है. मदर डैश एन एग. मदर ने एग को क्या किया है, बॉइल्ड किया है, बॉइल किया है. ओके, सो मदर बॉइल्ड एन egg. Now the fourth one, grandpa dashed to buy some seeds. Grandpa wanted. Grandpa क्या चाहते थे, seeds को purchase करना, खरीदना. Now the fifth one, Tina dashed her new dress to grandma. Tina showed. Tina showed her new dress to grandma. टीना ने अपनी न्यू ड्रेस अपनी ग्रैंडमा मीन्स दादी को दिखाई. मीता डैश अप द लैडर. लैडर मीन्स सीढ़ियाँ. सो मीता क्लाइम्ड. क्लाइम मीन्स चढ़ना. मीता क्लाइम्ड अप द लैडर. सो both the exercises A1 and B1 is combined. In the A exercise, what we have to do, word is given to us and we have to add ed on it and make a new word. And in the second exercise, we have to fill in the blanks. In that blank, we have to use the same words which we had formed in A exercise. Okay, students, now we are going to do the next exercise. Now students, in the next exercise what we have to do, circle the correct words in the brackets. So in the bracket two words are given to us and we have to circle the correct word. Okay, so the first one is already done for us. The king dash the prince. The king crowned the prince or the king crowned the prince. So the correct word is crowned, ed1. Okay, now the second one, the children danced and dashed in the park. So played in the park or plays in the park? So the correct word is played. P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. So I'm underlining the words. What you have to do, you have to circle it. Now the third one, we all dash at the clown's trick. We all laughed or we all laughing? We all laughed. Laughed is the correct word. L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. Now the fourth one, a small tortoise dash under a rock. A small tortoise lived or living? Living means अभी चल रहा है, रह रहा है, okay? So it is in present continuous form. So the correct word is lived. L-I-V-E-D, lived. Okay? We add ed for the past tense. हम ed किसके लिए add करते हैं? जो चीज़ हो चुकी है, बीत चुकी है. Okay? So in this exercise, what you have to do, two options are given over here and you have to circle the correct word. Okay? Now we are going to do the next exercise. Now kids, in this exercise, what we have to do, match the columns. Okay? So here two columns are given over here and we have to match the first one with the next one. Okay? So the words are given over here and we have to match the similar words. What is extra thing over here? That the word in the next column we had added ed on it. Word same है, first वाला column में जो word है exactly वो same spelling को ही हमको match करना है, but उसमें extra चीज़ क्या added है कि वो ed उस word के आगे added है. Okay kids, so first one is already done for us. Watch को किससे match किया है? Watched से. So the second word is disappear. So can you see disappeared word over here? So you have to match the second one with C1. What is the extra thing added over here? ED. Okay. Now the third word is answer. So we are going to match the word answer with answered. So match the third one with F1. Now the fourth word is bark. So match bark with barked. Match fourth one with E1. Now the fifth word is drop. So match the word drop with dropped. So match fifth one with G1. Now the sixth word is save. Sixth word is save. So match it with A1, saved. Now the seventh word is wash. Match it with washed. 7-1 with H1. Now the last word is lift. So match it with B1, lifted. So this is very simple exercise. What you have to do, words is given over here and you have to match the same word. One extra thing is done for us, that in that word ed is added. Okay, so now we are going to do the next exercise. Now students, this is the last exercise of the lesson. Now in this exercise, what we have to do, tick the correct words to complete the sentence. So here two options are given over here and you have to tick the correct option. Okay, and you have to write it, that word, in the blank also. So the first one is already done for us. Let me read it. Mother dash hot rotis. So mother cook और mother cooked. If we are taking cooked, that means वो हो चुका है, ये सीन हो चुका है. Mother cooked hot rotis. That means mother ने hot rotis cook कर चुकी हैं. Now what you have to do, the word is already ticked over here and you have to write the same word over here also in the blank also. Now the second sentence is the hen dash a grain of wheat. The hen find or the hen found. Found means ढूंढ चुकी है. So the correct word is found. So take it over here in the B option and write that word in the blank also over here. Now sentence is my brother dash an ice cream. So the options are wanting and the second option is wanted. My brother wanting an ice cream or my brother wanted. So the correct word is wanted. So tick it in the B option and write that word in the blank also. Now, the fourth sentence is the stars dash in the sky. The stars twinkling in the sky or the stars twinkled in the sky. So, tick in the B option, twinkled, and write that word in the blank also. Now, the last sentence. The fifth sentence is the magician dashed out a rabbit from his hat. So, the correct word is the magician pulled. So, the A option is correct. Tick it in the A option and write it on the blank. So, now student, this lesson is finished. Now I am going to start the next lesson, and this is the last lesson of grammar worksheet. Okay kids, so I had uploaded all these pics, all this content in the study material also, so you can check it on that also. Okay, now we are going to start the next lesson. Now students, we are starting the next lesson, Go Past Chairs worksheet, grammar worksheet. Now in this exercise, what we have to do, fill in the blanks with is or are. So filling the blanks is given over here and we have to fill it with the word is or with the word are. So we use is. When we use is हम तब use करते हैं when there is only one noun. When there is only one noun. Okay. Whether it is one person, one name, okay, animal, thing. And when we use are, when we are talking about more persons, more animals, okay, not one noun. So the first one, these dash children, these are. We use these for many persons or many animals. We use this and that with one person, and when we use these and those with more than one person. So in the first blank, are will come, A-R-E, are. Okay. Now the second one, this dash and aren't. This is. Okay. So how we can judge कि यहाँ पर is आएगा कि are आएगा? So जब this word और that word यूज़ होता है, this और that word तब यूज़ होता है जब हम one noun के बारे में बात कर रहे हों. तो स्टार्टिंग में this लिखा है ना, that means one noun. और these और those हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब one से ज़्यादा noun हो. It can be 2 also, 3 also, 4 also and many also. Okay. एक चीज़ हम इससे जज कर सकते हैं, और ये जो यहाँ पर वर्ड लिखा है एंट, कैन यू सी ओवर हियर? सो एंट इज मेंशन ओवर हियर, मतलब एक ही है. अगर आगे एस लगा होता दैट मीन्स वो वन से ज़्यादा है, तो हम यहाँ पे आर यूज़ करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हम इज कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब वन नाउन होगा. और हम आर कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब वन से ज़्यादा नाउन होगा. इसको जज करने के दो तरीके हैं. अगर जो ब्लैंक के फर्स्ट वाला वर्ड है, अगर उसमें दिस या दैट होगा, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन नाउन. और दीज और दोज होगा, दैट मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा नाउन है. और सेकेंड चीज़ जज करने की क्या है? जिस भी हम नाउन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे ये एंट है, इसके आगे एस नहीं लगा है, मीन्स वो वन ही है, तो यहाँ पर हम इज़ यूज़ करेंगे. और अगर एस लगा होगा, मीन्स वो वन से ज़्यादा है, तो हम यहाँ पे आर लिखेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द सेकेंड वन, दिस डैश अ लायन. सो नाउ वी आर अगेन टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन नाउन, सो इज विल कम ओवर हियर. नाउ द फोर्थ वन, दीज डैश चिक्स. सो स्टूडेंट, ये चिक्स के आगे देखेंगे एस लगा, दैट मीन्स वो चीज़, वो नाउन वन से ज़्यादा है, तो हम यहाँ पे आर यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ द फिफ्थ वन, दिस डैश अ काइट. सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन नाउन, सो इज विल कम ओवर हियर. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो फर्स्ट वाला था इसमें एस नहीं लगा है, सो चिल्ड्रेन इज़ ऑलरेडी अ प्लूरल फॉर्म. चिल्ड्रेन हम प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, इसमें एस नहीं लगता है. चाइल्ड मीन्स one, we are talking about one child, and children means we are talking about more than one child. Now the second exercise, write is, am or are. So in the blank, what we have to do? We have to write is, am or are. So we use is with one noun, we use are with more than one noun, and when the word I will come, so always we use am. जब आई वर्ड ब्लैंक के आगे होता है तो हम हमेशा एम यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, आई डैश अ गर्ल, आई एम, आई वाला वर्ड यूज़ हो रहा है, सो व्हाट विल कम ओवर हियर? एम. नाउ द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, I dash 6 years old. I am. So इधर भी I word use हुआ है तो am आएगा. Okay. Now turn the page. Now the third sentence is this dash my family. So they are talking about one thing. Is will come over here. We dash going to grandma's house. So with we always use are, A-R-E-R. Grandma and grandpa dash going for a walk. So we are talking about two person. Then again are will come over here. Where dash you going? Where are you going? So what will come over here? A-R-E-R. When we are talking about one noun, is will come. When we are talking about more than one noun, then are will come. Okay. Now we are going to do the next exercise. Now students, in this exercise, what we have to do? Look at the picture, filling the blanks with is or are. Again, we have to filling the blank with is or are. So picture is given for us. It dash Vani's birthday party. It is will come over here. Okay. She dash going to cut the cake. She is. We are talking about one person, so is will come over here. Her friends dash having fun. So who are having fun? Friends. That means more than one friend. So are will come over here. They dash enjoying themselves. So they are. More than one. John dash under the table. John means one person. We are talking about one person. So is will come over here. Madhav dash dancing. Madhav means one person. So we will write is over here. Okay kids. Now we are going to do the next exercise. Now students, in this exercise, what we have to do? We have to use has or have. So H-A-S has, H-A-V-E have. हमें has और have use करना है. So we use has. हम has कब use करते हैं? We use has with one noun in the naming part. हम has कब use करते हैं? With one noun in the naming part. And we use has with pronoun also. हम pronoun के साथ भी has use करते हैं. With he, she, it. Okay. So हम has कब use करते हैं? With one noun in the naming part and with the pronoun he, she and it. हम तब has use करते हैं. Okay. अब हम have कब use करते हैं? We use have with more than one noun in the naming part. हम have कब use करते हैं? More than one noun in the naming part and with the pronoun we, they, you and I. With pronoun we, you, they and I. Okay kids, now we are going to start the exercise. Vani dash juice every day. So we use has with one noun in the naming part. So write has over here. Now the second one, she dash milk too. Again has is come over here. We use has with the pronoun he, she and it. और यहाँ पे क्या use हुआ है? यहाँ पे she use हुआ है. Okay. Now the third sentence is Vimal dash 3 pencil. Vimal has 3 pencil. I dash 2 pencils. I have. So I is a pronoun. We use have with they, we, I and you. So I is used over here. So we will write have over here. Okay. Now we are going to do the next sentences. Now the fourth sentence is my mother dash long hair. My mother has. Now the fifth one, Vijay dash a pet cat. Vijay has. Now I dash a pet rabbit. I have. With I always have will come. Now the sixth one, last one, let us have idlis for breakfast. Okay. Now we are going to do the last exercise. Now we are going to do the next exercise, filling the blanks with is, am or have. So here we have to filling the blank with is, am and have. Okay, so the first one is I dash a fairy. I am a fairy. Now the second one, my name is Lily. Now the third one, I am. What will come over here? Am. I am 8 years old. Now the fourth one, I have wings. Now the fifth one, my hair is black. And the sixth one, I have brown eyes. Okay, now students, we are going to do the last exercise. So all the grammar worksheets will be finished. Now from the next week, we are going to start the new semester book. Okay, semester number 2. Now we are going to do the next exercise. Now students, in this exercise, what we have to do? Filling the blanks with has or have. So here again we have to filling the blank with has and have. I had already taught you when to use has and when to use have. Okay, so the baby has many toys. It is already done for us. Now the second sentence, a house dash many windows. A house has one noun. A car has 4 wheels. Again one noun, a car. Now the fourth one, I. So I is a pronoun. So with I always have come. My brother has a pet duck. My brother, one noun. I have a story book. With I always have come. Okay. So all the exercises are finished. You have to note it down, all these exercises in the book itself. Now from the next week we are going to do the semester 2 book. Okay kids, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Goodbye students, take care.